Okay guys, here's a part 2 video of what I said I was going to do. I just heard thunder. I don't know if there will be any more thunder, but I've just heard thunder, so there we go. Thunder. There's some thunder, guys. I'm going to try and put the camera more here. If I can. Yeah, I just heard some thunder, guys. We've got a thunderstorm. Look at the clouds though, the clouds have gone dark. On camera they don't look as dark, but in real life they're darker than that. I just heard some thunder, yeah. I don't know why, when I just heard it before I literally put it on camera, it just really excited me. I was thinking to myself, oh there's thunder, I better quickly make a video. I was really excited for some reason. I'll put it here for a bit in case I hear any more or see any lightning. Two days in a row, thunderstorms. Obviously the maximum I can go up to is 15 minutes on YouTube because I haven't sorted like all the details up. There's more thunder. Anyway. The rain stopped, it's just thunder now and wind. The wind is very strong and there's also thunder but no rain now. I might make this video quite a long one as well, as long as I can, because I didn't do a proper thunderstorm. I haven't done a proper thunderstorm on my channel yet. I've done like a mini thunderstorm, but this is a proper one today for you guys. Yeah. I'm still at my nan's house, by the way, but I'm going back to my house tomorrow. I want to let you guys know that. I'm taking all the 9-inch fans back with me, by the way. I don't even know why I'm telling you guys this. I should be telling you it on the other channel. Anyway, yeah. I'm still at my nan's house. For any of you guys that are subscribed to my first channel, you guys probably already know I'm the same guy. Cause look, I've got all my fans. Yeah. All the pedestal fans. Igenic 13-inch tower fan. And the 7-inch August one. And the 9-inch ones. Anyway, I wonder if there's going to be any more thunder, or whether I'm going to end the video. The problem is though, it's hard to predict whether there's going to be more thunder or not. Even if there isn't any thunder, I think I'm just going to put the video to 15 minutes. Just to make sure. So I don't miss any. Because there might be some lightning at some point. I just don't know if there'll be any lightning or not. There's some lightning. I just saw lightning. It was over that way though. That's thunder. I don't know if I caught the lightning on camera. I'll have to check after this. But I just saw lightning. Of course there'll be more thunder afterwards. I'm going to look over to there because that's where the dark clouds are. If we're going to see lightning, we're going to see it probably over there, I'd imagine, because of the dark clouds. It's more likely to happen over there. You don't always see lightning, sometimes you do though. But yeah, this video's definitely going on for 15 minutes. I'm not ending it until 15 minutes. I don't want to miss any thunder or lightning or rain or wind or whatever. It's really wet out there. This could possibly be one of the best weather videos I've ever made. If the thunder continues and the lightning and all that. I can't say I'm going to end the video thinking there's no thunder, because I just can't predict whether there'll be any more or not. So it's going to go on for a full 15 minutes. That's the longest YouTube will allow me to make videos for, until I set the thing up properly. I haven't properly set it up yet. I need to put some details in, like my phone number and password and stuff like that. My date of birth and where I live and all that. But I'm not going to tell you guys that because a bit of privacy. Yeah, it's private. I just don't want to tell you guys that because it's a bit of privacy. I'm pretty sure Ethan is like that as well. He doesn't like to tell you where he lives and all of that stuff. Yeah, bro, I'm exactly the same as you. I just don't think it's a good idea. Anyway, enough of that. Just see if there's any more thunder or anything. So far the video has been going on for 7 minutes and 23 seconds. But I just don't want to risk missing any more thunder or anything. That's why I'm keeping it on camera. Even if there isn't any more, I still caught some at least. Yeah, the lightning should be over there somewhere where these clouds are, I'll say, because those are where the dark clouds are. Looks like it's moving more this way. Struggling to figure out where to put this camera. Put it there. So yeah. I'm just waiting now. That's lightning, I think. I'm pretty sure I just saw lightning over there. This thunderstorm's better than yesterday's one. Yesterday's one I only heard thunder, I didn't see any lightning. Lightning's really cool. I really like lightning. when I'm inside anyway, obviously, I think it just looks really cool in the sky. It lights the whole sky up. Sometimes it's like zigzags and then sometimes it's just a bright light. But still, it lights the sky up and it makes the sky look really cool. That's just in my opinion. You guys might disagree, but I just don't know. But that's just in my opinion. So far, the video has been going on for 10 minutes, nearly 11. I mean, if the thunder's still going on by the time I end the video, I might make a part 3. Well, it'll be a part 2 of the thunderstorm, but it'll be a part 3 of the whole rain and wind and stuff. Technically, part 2 of thunder, but part 3 of the storm we're getting. Come on, Thunder, show these awesome YouTubers what you can do. I'm just going to call this a PM thunderstorm. No more lightning. Not much of a thunder bang. There's a little bang, but not much. I might have to make a part 2 because thunder's still coming. I'm going to have to end the video soon because it will only let me upload to 15 minutes, so I might have to do a part 3. If it's still going by then, maybe a part 4, I just don't know. I just don't know how long it's going to go on for. Could even be a part 5 for all I know. Anything could happen, the weather's unpredictable. You just can't predict. I think predicting the weather's pretty much impossible. It would be cool if you could though. Now you can know. Then you'll know exactly when you can. Now you can know exactly just when to upload. Alright, I think actually I'm going to end the video here and do part 3. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next video. And bye for now.